हेलो बच्चों, आप देख रहे हैं ज्ञान का सफर, जहां हर दिन मिलती हैं नई कहानियां, मजेदार कार्टून और ढेर सारी मस्ती। चलो शुरू करते हैं आज की मजेदार यात्रा।
No, Speedy, not now. It's too late to hunt rabbits. Oh, come on, let's get some sleep. Whew. Don't worry, Speedy. We'll get up at 5 in the morning and really blast that bunny. I can taste that fried rabbit now. Remember, boy, you'll never catch that rabbit unless you get a good night's sleep. Now get plenty of rest, lots of sleep, boy. Remember, you won't catch that rabbit unless you get a lot of sleep.
caller's number. I'm sorry, they do not answer. Your 3 minutes are up. That number has been disconnected. Deposit 10 cents for 5 minutes, please. I'm sorry, we do not have that information. Long distance. At the sound of the tone, the time will be exactly 12:05, please. Number, please. Information. Oh, you're calling.
Time to get up. Let's go. Let's get that rabbit. Come on, boy. Wake up. Let's go get him. Come on. You had plenty of sleep. Let's go. Better boy, Speedy. Get in there and get him. Get him. Dig him out there. Dig him out there, boy. Bring him out there. Dig him out. Hey, Speedy. What's the matter down there?
क्या आपको मजा आया? अगर हाँ, तो जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और अपने दोस्तों को भी बताओ। हम हर रोज नई नई मजेदार कहानियाँ और कार्टून लाते हैं। तो फिर मिलते हैं अगली कहानी में।